So you put them in hen house B, and then you do the same. You wait for a certain amount of time for half of them to lay their first batch of eggs, and then you put them in hen house C, and so forth and so. Yeah. So first of all, this, let's say this would take maybe 7 days. That's the full life. Okay. And the half-life of A is 3 days. The half-life of B is 1 day. And the half-life of C is 1 day. No, 12 hours. And this is actually a reaction. It can go on and on. So say for instance, if you have, like we started with, uranium lead, the half-life of uranium is 4.6 billion years to become the stable isotope lead. And that's basically the concept of half-life. Then there's also this potassium argon. The concept of the idea is it takes potassium 1.3 billion years to become the stable isotope argon. So here what I'd do is, let's say these are the your atoms or the ions or the radioactive elements, and this is your element. Okay, and then this is your argon. So it's basically, it takes potassium 1.3 billion years to become the stable isotope argon. Like it has to lose, instead of eggs, let's zoom. Okay, instead of eggs, tuseme like it loses its radioactive elements like ions. Yeah, let's just say ions. It loses ions, certain amount of ions to become argon. So the only thing you have to watch out for when it comes to radiometric dating is you have to make sure the initial sample is not contaminated in any way. That's one. And then you have to know the initial amount of the radioactive element. For example, 100 grams of this will produce a certain amount of grams of this. So when you end up with this, knowing that you had, like, okay, fuck, okay. sorry, okay, sorry, you have X and Y, and you have 100 grams of this, and then maybe at a certain point of in time, only 10%, let's say 10 grams has changed to this. So when you see this and you know the initial amount of this, it's very easy to estimate the amount of time. That's how radiometric dating works. I'm so sorry. Apologize. I'll redo it, but if you end up with this video, know that I tried redoing it and this is the best I could have done so far. Or I'll try to edit it out, and if I failed, then I'm sorry. Please subscribe to my channel and blog, comment, and ask questions as usual anytime. Okay, bye.